Hello children, welcome back with a new lesson. Today we are going to learn how to add a texture to the mixed media art. So mixed media is a type of artwork that mix different media or materials into one piece. For example, a piece of art that combines an acrylic painting with fabric and paper is mixed media art. So you can use mixed media techniques for various crafting and art projects such as scrapbooking, sketchbooks, or decorating greeting cards and mixed media art projects. There are so many ways to add a texture to a mixed media art. First, you can use tissue papers. This technique works with any sort of tissue papers. Simply crumble up the sheet of tissue and glue into your paper. Let it crease as much as you want. Once dried, the paper can be painted over, rubbing a dry medium like pastels, colored pencils, charcoals. Over the top will bring out the texture even more. Next, you can use glue. Rip glue from the bottle, making random shapes and patterns. Once it dries, it can be painted over. And also you can use fabric, texture paste and stencils to make textures on your mixed media art. So today I am using tissues as the texture. For this we need an A4 board, some color A4 papers, magazine papers, a paintbrush, some colors, glue bottle, tissues, some plastic flowers and leaves, some stencils, and any kind of mixed media materials. First, I am going to draw a sunflower. For the middle part, I am using a button, and for the petals, I am using tissues. Apply glue to the petal, and using a tissue you can start to keep the texture. Now for the background, you can use watercolors. Before using watercolors, I am going to keep a texture to the background. For this I am using a piece of candle. You can draw any design using a candle and then color the background with watercolors. Now I'm going to decorate the background. For this you can use magazine papers, color A4 papers. Now I'm going to add the other petals. For this I'm using color A4 paper. For this you can fold the paper like this and then draw a petal. Before adding the petals, you have to cut the proper shape. Here I am using pastels to color my texture. And I'm using some stencils to decorate my mixed media artwork. So this is the final look of my mixed media art. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. See you soon with another activity.